we're about to get going on the install here of the trailer wrap. I've already removed anything that's protruding because it makes the wrap more difficult. So as smooth as you can get the trailer as possible, the better. Anything that removes easy, which on these cargo trailers, most everything comes off pretty easy, and then allows you to clean that silicone better too. So I removed almost everything. Removed our screws because the screws are failure points and they'll start cracking and splitting on you. And then I removed our wheel well and just the little door keepers and stuff like that. So we've got a pretty smooth surface here. The only thing sticking out is our serving window and a couple wires and lights that we'll have to trim and pull through the graphics. But other than that, it's super smooth, so this should make the install a lot easier. And for me, I've been doing this a long time and I'm still not very good at it, so the easier I can get it, the better. So I removed everything and then cleaned everything with alcohol, and I used a thing in the sign industry. It's called Rapid Tack. It's a great cleaner before you install graphics. So anything like a piece of hair or small dirt particles or anything that's on this trailer will show through the wrap. Wraps are high quality wraps, are very thin cast vinyl, and it shows anything underneath through it. So the cleaner you can get the surface, the better wrap outcome you're going to get in the end. So I've got it mocked up here. I actually put all 3 panels up to make sure the alignment's all good and that we've got plenty of overlap on the top and bottom and sides, and then make sure that my seams here are going to line up. So we're going to get installing this. I don't have a whole lot of